Question number 4 is consider the following system of linear equations. Ax plus 2y plus z is 0, y plus 5z is equal to 1, and by minus 5z is minus 1. Then which of the following statement is true? System has unique solution for a1, b minus 1. System has unique solution for a minus 1, b1. The system has no solution for a1, b0. And the system has infinite solution a0, b0. Okay, so let's solve here. So if I make the matrix, augmented matrix, so a 2 1 1, x has coefficient 0, y has 1, z has 5, x has 0, y has b, and z has minus 5, and 0 1 minus 1. This is augmented matrix. So now so if we add, suppose we change third row as third row plus second row, then matrix will be, so first row will be as it is, second row will be as it is, and third row will be 0, b plus 1, 0, 0. Okay, now let us see for the option. So in a option, they said a is 1, b is minus 1. So a is 1, b is minus 1. So for that, what will happen? So a is 1, b is minus 1. So 1 2 1, 0 1 5, and 0 0 0 is 0 1 0. So I replaced a1 and b minus 1. So now we can see rank of matrix A only is 2, rank of matrix A augmented B. This is, so number of non-zero row I'm counting, number of linearly independent row, we can say. So this is also 2. So means it has infinite solution. So whether it says that, so for A1, B minus 1, system has infinite solution. System is unique, it is saying unique. So this is A is wrong option. So A is not the correct option. B, A minus 1, B1. So let's put A minus 1, B1. So A minus 1 and B1. So let me write this matrix for this. So if I put A minus 1 and B1, so this is going to be minus 1, 2, 1, 0. Okay, and 0, 1, 5. So I'm writing this matrix 1 and 0, 2, 0, 0. Now we can see rank of A, rank of A alone. This we need to simplify. So if we divide by 2, the third row will get here 1. Okay, and this one, if we subtract second row from the third row, yeah, matlab second row minus third row, if we use one more operation, so subtracting second row minus third row, this will be 0, and else will be same. Yeah, so I did two operations. First I divided third row by 2, and then I changed second row after dividing second row minus third row. So we got this matrix now. So we can see, in fact, then after that, if you apply one more operation, if you interchange second row and third row, okay, or if you can see from here, then it's okay. That I'm looking that row rank of A is 3, a rank of A augmented B is also 3. So both are equal and equal to the order of A. So that means this was less than 3. That was infinite solution. So 3 means you will get here unique solution. So whether option B is saying unique solution. So B is saying unique solution. Yes, so it is correct option. So since this is single correct option, so this is fine for this, but we can check more options. Okay, so let's see. A1, B0, A1, B0, A1 and B0. A1 B0. So let's write the matrix. What is that? So 1, okay, B is 0. So here it will be 1 0 0 it was. So let's check it. Yeah, so we have 1 2 1 0 1 5 1, and then I'm going to write in this matrix, okay, replacing value of B. So B 0 0. Now again what we can say, so from here if we see, so again if you subtract second row minus third row, you will get 0 here, okay. 1 minute, B was 1, okay, yeah. So finally rank of A again is 3, rank of A augmented B is again 3. So we'll get infinite solution in this case. So option C is saying infinite, saying no, so it is wrong, it's saying no solution. System infinite solution for A0 B0. So now let's check for A0 B0. So A0 and B0, if we put, what will happen? So A21, so 0 2 1 0 1 5 0 1, it was 1 plus B, so B is 0, and 0 0 0 0 0 1 0, it was this. Yeah, so now see, if we subtract second row minus third row, so we'll get 0 here, fine, rest all same. Yeah, if we subtract first row minus 2 times third row, so once I applied R2 changes as R2 minus R3, I change it this only. You can note it on your notebook. So now I will change R1 minus 2 times R3, so this will become 0. Okay, again if you apply one more time, I'm not writing new matrix, so you can write new matrix and apply one by one. So I will change R2 again. After applying all this one by one, you can make one time this, then you write new matrix, then apply this, write new matrix, then apply this. So R2 I change R2 minus 5 times R1, so this will become 0. So now the new matrix I'm writing here, 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, so you can see here rank of A alone is 2, number of non-zero rows, number of linearly independent row, and rank of A augmented B, and that is going to be, again it's a 2. One minute, sorry, I did mistake. So here is 1, so I should write here 1. Yeah, so for since due to 1, this row becomes non-zero when we see A augmented B. For A we see only this, for A augmented B we see whole matrix. So when we consider whole matrix, so rank of A augmented B is going to be 3 due to this 1. So number of linearly independent row, if we count in A augmented B, it is 3. Number of non-zero row is 3. So since both are different, so we have no solution. So D option is saying when A is 0, B is 0, no solution, but it is saying infinite is also a option. So B is the only correct option. So since it is single correct option, so you should not check more. If you are confident enough that you checked it right, so you don't need to go further. You can take care and you can go ahead to the next question. Thank you.